Hello guys, today we are going to learn how we can switch off this posho mill machine without going behind it, because there behind there are some metals which may hurt you. When here you must have a rope, then you tie it near the switching off point. Then you and before you move on, you check well, because you are not supposed to interfere with the fuel pipes. Then you tie your rope here and you bring it somewhere where you can pull it after you are finishing your job. You tie it somewhere like here, and you make sure don't tie it. You tie it loosely, so that machine is still stationary where it was set to be. Okay. Let us check whether we have made it quite well, in order to see whether it will be successful. Then successful. You pull it. Wow, our switch is successful.